And welcome back. So what y'all may or may not know about me is I'm kind of a nerd when it comes to certain things. I've been an action figure collector for as long as I can remember, and they're hiding in that closet, boxes and boxes, boxes and boxes. But anyway, one thing that I did do yesterday, I went to the 2021 DeLand comic collectible show, and I have been looking. I'm a recent Star Wars fan. It's it's January 18th, 2021, and I'm just now getting into Star Wars. Go figure. But I did go see the very last one, The Rise of Skywalker, I believe, in theaters. And there was a little machine there that I just thought was fantastic. Exactly. So, with that being said, I have been on the hunt. And every time I try and find this particular, droid, it's nowhere to be found. That's where comes in our friends over at the DeLand Comic Con, actually, and more in particular, Windows Comics and Collectibles. So shout out to my boy. So let's see what we found. So this is one. I saw it. I was sitting there and I said, dude, is that a Spin Master BB8? And he says yes. And he goes, I'll obviously, handle this. How do you want to do it? And I said, well, I want it. He said, okay. What if I told you something else? This was the something else. That's right, folks. I got two of these Spin Master BB8s. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open these up. Because like I said, I'm kind of a nerd about this stuff. I cannot believe I found one in the box, never opened, much less two in the box, never opened. So, back to it. Ultimately, I think, which one I'm going to do. There's one that doesn't have the greatest box. It's just a little rough around the edges, and then there's one that, has the better box. So what I'm going to do, because I'm going to take this thing out and I'm going to play with it. That's right. And it's going to be pretty hilarious by the way that I've seen these things. So, that all being said, let's go ahead and get our tools. Evidently, we're going to need 3 AAA batteries. And we're also going to need razor. I chose a razor to open this up, man, because I don't want to damage the box too much, but I'm trying to focus on the quality of the video and also not mess up the integrity of the box. I'm sure y'all understand. Alright, so let's see which one we're going to get. I'm going to grab our friend here. Dude, I'm super excited here, okay? Alright, so, got the razor, and we're going to make this as hopefully seamless as possible here. We're on the move. Alright. Okay, I am super excited right now. I'm going to put this on the ground. So, first thing we have here, look at that, man. Alright, so first thing we have here, I believe is going to be the head. You're seeing a big kid right now. You're seeing a big kid, and he is seeing you. And now, a couple more things in here. It looks like so that we got some cables. So we got the head out first. Okay. So we got a charging cable. We're going to have to charge this, from what I'm told, between an hour and 2 hours. Now this device is what, 4 or 5 years old. So I'm just gonna hope for the best that this thing's actually going to, you know, the battery's gonna be decent, because I am taking one out, and I know it's like a boo-boo, and people will probably frown on it, but remember, I have 2. Okay, so here we go here. That's the controller. Okay. Now comes the big part. Well, actually, so we've got some more stuff here. We've got 2 antennas. We got 2 antennas, and we've got a charging cable. And then we have our quick start guide. Quick start guide. Boom. All right. And now we remove our friend BB8. Now, from the others that I have watched. Oh yeah, man. So from the other guys that I have watched unbox these, it's evidently like 10 pounds or something like that. But look at it; it's got like a it's a counterweight. Anyway, it basically will keep it still. It says that the Hero BB8 comes to life with this impressive height of 16 inches, 19 inches with the antenna. It has voice and sound responses and a motion sensor. Enjoy full control of your BB8 with multiple voice commands, 360-degree remote control movement, and a unique follow me mode which allows Hero Droid BB8 to roll alongside you. Man, this is awesome. You know, but once again, it does require the batteries. So, got those. Boom. Let's get this thing out of the package, man. I just keep talking. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look at that, man. Huh? Look at it. Still going. This is fantastic. Look at that, dude. So these all light up. Now, I do have to get some sort of charge to it, obviously. This is going to have its own separate battery, and so does this. This particular one's charge port is right here. So, I don't know if we can really see that. So right there, got a couple of things. So you got the charge port, and then it looks like you have your on-off switch, and then you have your frequency, A, B, and C frequency on this for the remote control. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop that back in there. Oh, look at that. Guys, look at this. It's alive. And it's looking right at you. So we're gonna have to charge it. Like I said, I'm gonna take this out. You know, just a little bits of information from what I have found from a couple of the other guys. You do have 2 magnets right here, and you know it's gonna counterbalance or whatever to get it just right, and then boom, you just pop that on there. The system inside, there are videos I'm going to mention down in the description below, videos of the guy taking this apart and showing how it works if you want to check that out. But as of right now, yeah, this is what we're working with, and let me go ahead and charge this, and once I get it charged, I'm going to come right back, and then we can have some serious fun. Okay, I charged it up. Here we are. I've actually been to the gym since y'all saw me last. But yeah, this thing is crazy. So I've got a couple things right here that I think we should go over. I charged it for probably an hour or so, wasn't too bad. And then what we did with the next one was we had this, and then as far as the body's concerned, so there's the white door right there on the side. Okay, that one also has the on-off. Once again, O, or the circle being off, and then the line being on. This one I charged for, it says 3 hours, man, but like the orange charger is gonna flash. The red power indicator, it says plug in the AC wall, blah, blah, blah. Red light on the wall indicator charging in progress, no light shows BB8 charging. So red light, so if it's solid, if it is solid, it is charging. And if it's flashing, it's fully charged. So luckily I got that done in a little bit here, but let's just turn this thing on, man. I'm excited. I'm excited for everybody to see this thing because right now it doesn't look impressive, right? Just wait. Alright, so we got this. And, oh, there we go. Yep, there it is. You'll feel it snap. You'll feel it snap, and that's whenever you know he's ready for action. So, like I did not do, I was explaining to y'all, I gotta turn on all the power sources here. So as of right now, with the charger, I'm sorry. So as of right now, with the remote here, I have it on. It's a one line, an O or a circle, and a 2. And right now, I've got it on this one. The first line. So let's see what it does. Going real slow. Yeah, man. It moves. It moves pretty quick. Yep. This thing is so crazy. Watch this. Oh, God, his head fell off. Seeing this? Yeah. So yeah. He's probably wondering, what happened to my head, bro? And we're back. So we had a little malfunction. So whenever he fell over, he hit the tile, which was obviously no bueno. But what I saw was the white light that is on his face. I mean, dude, he moves so quick. Oh. See, if you move really, there we go. There we go. Okay, so if we move him too quickly, the head's gonna fly off from what I can find. But remember, it's held on by a couple of magnets. There we go. And he likes whenever it's put on properly, as you can see. So let's just see. I'm gonna stand up here and have him do a little dance. So cool. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try a couple of things here. These are the prompts that you get. So as you see, it says BB8, hello, Kylo Ren, so on and so forth. Let's take it. Come here, closer. Come here. Closer. Perfect. All right. And then it says, hello. Just going to turn him my way. There he is. Let's see. How are you? Let's see. Stand guard. So next, let's see. Watch him freak out here. BB8. Kylo Ren. Yeah. See, he doesn't really care for that name too much. Move, ball. Let's see. Where is Poe? Droid, please. Right? And let's see. How are you? Alright, and then this one's a cool one. Stand guard. So he obviously, has an alarm on there if he were to have a situation, right? Pretty cool stuff. And other than let's see. Come here, closer. There we go. Alright, the last thing I'm going to do, because this is, I can only do so much, man. I know. I'm going to turn him this way. And for tonight, so we can tell him after 5 minutes of non-play, he'll actually do this, but we'll go ahead and just do it right now. Hey, buddy. Hey. Move, ball. Move, ball. Oh. Come here, closer. Come here, closer. And finally, go to sleep. Hey, BB8. Welcome back, buddy. So until next time, folks, this is the Macho Brochacho and BB8. We'll catch you soon.